Hello students, I welcome you in the e-learning session. This is class 7, chapter 1, Introduction to Number System. Now in this slide, we will understand the various topics which are going to be explained. First one is need of number system. Second one is types of number system, and its subcategories are decimal number system, octal number system, binary number system, hexadecimal number system. Then conversion from binary to decimal number system. Now up to here this is part 1, and next week part 2 will include conversion from decimal to other number system and binary arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Need of number system. When we write type any number, letter or word, it is represented in a certain number system. In our daily life we use decimal number system, whereas in computers all the 4 number system, example binary, octal, hexadecimal and decimal number systems are used. Here in this slide we talk about types of number system. The first one is decimal number system. It has base 10 and digits being used in it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we proceed to binary number system. It has base 2 and 0 and 1 is used. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 cannot be used in binary number system. Now octal number system, it has base 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Only these digits can be used in octal number system. We cannot use 8 and 9 in octal number system. Now we proceed to hexadecimal number system. It has base 16 and following digits can be used in hexadecimal number system. Those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then A for 10, B for 11, C for 12, D for 13, E for 14 and F for 15. Now here in this slide we will learn how to convert from binary to decimal number system. For example, there is a binary number has been given, that is 110. Now we will see how to convert it into decimal number. Now any number is there, the unit starts from the rightmost. So in the binary number also the unit starts from the rightmost side. So here see in the first line the rightmost digit is 0, then the middle digit is 1 and the leftmost is 1. Now see in the second line, all the number system have certain place value. Binary number system has 2 power 0, which starts from 2 power 0 from unit place. Hexadecimal number system starts from 16 power 0 from unit place, and decimal number system 10 power 0 starts from unit place. So in the second line we see 2 power 0 is the unit place value. Now see in the middle it is 2 power 1. Now see in the leftmost side it is 2 power 2 square. Now you will notice one thing, that the power is increasing plus 1 each time when we proceed towards left. Now one thing I would like to add it here, that second line is the exponential form. The place value exponential form is second line. Now the third line is the simplification of the exponential form. Now you can see 2 power 0 turns into 1. Any number which has power 0 turns into 1. Now see towards left, 2 power 1 turns into 2, 2 power 2 turns into 4. Now you see 4 line here. 4 line you have to put little more effort here, that fourth line is the equivalent of multiplication of third line and first line. The third line and first line is getting multiplied and making 4 line. You can see from the right side, 0 into 1 bringing 0. Now see in the middle, 1 into 2 bringing 2. Now see the leftmost side, the top one is getting multiplied into 4 and bringing 4. Now in the last we add the fourth line, 4 plus 2 plus 0. Now total we get 6. 6 is the decimal equivalent of the binary 110. Now in this slide we will talk about exercises. The first exercise is converting from binary to decimal. Now you can see the first one is 110. It's a 3-bit binary number. Now you know that 3-bit binary number has been solved and quietly explained to you in the previous slide. Now you can do it on your own. Now we go to second question, which is 5-bit binary number. So if you see its exponential form, then 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, it will reach up to 2 power 4, and you know rest of the procedure, you can do it. Now the next, which is another 3-bit binary number. Now the fourth, it is another 3-bit binary number. Now last, it is again 2-bit binary number. So you know the procedure, and I hope that you can solve it very easily. And don't forget to send pictures on WhatsApp group. Now here we end the part 1. Next week I'll come again with part 2, and that will conclude the chapter. Till then, take care, have a nice day.